Go on in.
Surprise!
What is today? What is today?
Today's my dad's birthday.
Yeah.
And
Wait.
all of the gifts are in my pocket.
All of his gifts in your pocket?
Yeah. All of my gifts are in my pocket.
For Papa?
Yeah.
So you're gonna surprise him later?
Yeah.
So where are we heading?
From Titan's house.
We're going to Auntie Jen's house. You know what we're going to Auntie Jen's house to do?
Yeah.
What we're going to do? We're gonna surprise Papa. Papa don't know that we're gonna be at Auntie Jen's house, so we're gonna give him a surprise party.
Yeah.
Right? And look who is here chilling. Oh, Mama opened it, she closed her eye. No tie, no tie. Tie. Not her face, remember I told you. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, my day has just been going and going and going and going and going. Yes. And going non-stop. Today is the king's birthday. Ty, wait.
Excuse me, please. Today, it didn't that we are going. Is it?
So my day has been just going and going and going, and I know I had to do something for baby's birthday, but because my house have so much people, all my family is there, and you guys know, if you guys been following our channel for a while, that I always do something romantic for him. You guys know that if I am home, I would normally do something nice for babe, just the three of us, but this time because the house is so full and he's been so he deserves everything, honestly, but knowing babe really don't want anything. It's just the little things that matters to him, and he's been with me every step of the way recently, as always, but recently with my pregnancy and with having Sarah, he's just been there. He's just been there every step of the way. So yeah, we're gonna catch the other one. So I woke up this morning and I know I wanted to do something, but I had no idea what to do with everybody around. I didn't want to just throw everybody in his moment, so I decided to call Jen up, and we're heading to Jen's house to surprise him. So naturally, Jen told him that there is something at her house that he needs to pick up for me on his way home from work. So I already know that he won't be coming home early, he'll be coming home late, he'll be coming home his usual time. So he'll be stopping at Jen thinking that he's gonna pick up something for me to take home, but by right is us that he's gonna see when he walks in, so he'll be pretty surprised. So that's what we're gonna do for him. So we're going to Jen and I'm gonna prepare something for him to eat. I have his gifts, I have his cake and all that. So we're gonna go to Jen to do a little setup for him.
And also I have all the gifts in my pocket.
And you're gonna make a card for Papa, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go, bring you guys along, and hopefully you guys are having a good day and enjoy the moment with us, and don't do that until Mama tell you to do that. Enjoy the moment with us and spam the comment down below and tell babe a happy birthday. Love you guys. Let's go do this.
In for a rough
She's
time.
all dressed. And Tyler was #1, so I don't know how she gonna work that out.
No,
But hey,
fit you in, baby girl. We're gonna have to fit you
she
in.
have to fit her in somewhere.
Hey, mommy. Look
All
at
dressed
her.
already for Papa's birthday. Look at her. So he's making a card for Papa. You write Papa on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me set the table. Do it more. Color all the paper. All of it. Just use one now. You use it all of them.
Thirsty man! Hey, come! Thirsty darling. You alright?
I'm alright.
Why are you so quiet? It's your birthday.
I know.
Go on in. Why you You know what though? He looked up. I think he thought something. He thought something, didn't you?
You thought
he looked. He came in. He looked at me and then he does this. I'm like, how you look at me and do that? What's the matter with you? And I said, why are you so quiet?
Yes. You know something's up? You know something is up? Oh.
You tell me to go to
We can't buy.
bring something on my birthday?
Yeah, Papa.
I told you we should have said, just come and pick up Jen.
Oh my
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
That's more like him. When he comes in, he's all serious. He's like,
You're funny.
that's Ludo. This is our
birthday, husband. That's Auntie Jen's friend. Another Jamaican.
You like your daddy? You love your daddy?
Well, Sarah didn't know it. Sarah didn't know
Happy birthday.
What you like that people? I tell you.
it. Oh my God.
She put this together.
Babe, I was hoping you would think anything, but knowing you, they said you asked me to go to Jen on my birthday.
Well, you know, easy.
Big one.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Aww.
Can I put this balloon?
Just turn it. Give it to me. Take it off.
Face on that one.
Take it off. Just lift it off.
Or you want me for the picture
It can.
to sit?
No, I already take it. Hold on. Hold on. Leave it. Sit.
We got nice to sofa.
I'm in shoes.
Alexa, volume down.
So where you got all of this food?
Here, yeah. So where you get all of this food?
Boy, we just find it. Just put it like
With
that.
tea
Just find
feet.
it.
With
There you
tea
go.
feet.
There's your birthday card in pink. I didn't have no papers.
First, the car in pink. That's not pink, they're gonna say that's
Red?
Risha.
Come, Valerie, come on, let's keep-
Exactly. I'm about to say the same. Yes.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, thank
All right,
you.
who's sitting where? Only figure out where you're gonna sit. I'm sitting next to Tyler. I'm sitting next to Tyler.
That's not
Val,
All right, have
this
this
end or
here.
this
Can't
end?
go there. Jane was
No, no.
What's your name again?
I know. They don't understand.
Sarah have another auntie.
Easy being a kid.
Sarah, why are you listening to her?
Not easy.
Paying her attention as well.
Right? I know. That's what they say. You know better.
Why are you listening to Val? She just got here.
She's staring at her, right? Aye.
Her mouth is moving. Back to the eyes. Yes, sugar plum.
I bring that's the birthday boy cake.
Oh, it's okay. You're family.
Wait, come sing happy birthday and cut your cake first, no man.
You want me to sing happy birthday?
No, I mean,
Happy birthday.
you're gonna sing Papa happy birthday? Wait. Wait. And I picked these up and thought it was candle, but it's not candle.
That's alright, so I don't have to blow it.
Wait, Tyler.
You should sit.
Wait, and Jen.
Where do I sit?
Here.
Make sure I have the right angle.
Come, Ty. Pause and sing happy birthday to Papa.
Sit and don't do anything for the rest.
You just wanna relax. You can. What's up? If you want to sleep here and don't go home.
Right? You're right.
You can drop them in the bag. Wait. Start over. Go now. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, Papa. Joyeux anniversaire, Papa. Joyeux anniversaire.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Sarah wondering what's going on.
You have a lot of crazy people.
I know. Cake cutting time. Well, make your imaginary wish. That look like you hold up your mouth to catch one.
He got this strawberry.
Yeah. Get down. Get down.
Who is that for?
Come, let me help you.
What are you doing, honey?
What are you doing, Mel?
I'm trying to pull this, but I can't.
So put it.
It's gonna blow upon me.
It won't.
Yes,
I
it
protect
will.
my head. That's okay. Protect the baby. Tyler, protect the baby.
But it's halfway. I'm to just pull it out like that.
Yeah, we'll go slowly. You
Slowly?
keep it on your other hand.
Where's the glass?
Tyler.
There? Yeah. It needs a glass. So it's gonna run out?
Maybe.
Maybe.
So that's why you need a glass not too far.
Maybe.
It's pressure on it. So it's like Coca-Cola.
Pressure in it. But I wasn't shaking it.
Well,
Doesn't matter.
it doesn't. It's pressure. That's why psh, that's why you do that.
Help! Duh. Your mouth, I'm fried. I'm fried. Stay away. I'm fried. Oh! Yes, you know, like, you know.
She was so excited after it blew out. She forget she have to put it in the glass.
You have to put it in that dog. Put the glass.
Well done, Mel. You did it.
Mama, you're funny.
That's how I'm going to conquer my biggest fear and learn how to swim next year. It shall come. Okay, you can go. He's opening his
You know what
gift.
is it?
No, he doesn't know.
Bag.
Oh no. Yes, it's a bag. As if I was going to a store and booked it.
I know you wanted one. I know you wanted one for work.
Mine back, unfortunately.
It's very nice.
You like it?
Thank you. Oh yeah, that's good on my bag now.
You can stop carrying that stupid knapsack.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my
You
love.
know when I have new thing, I always take a time. Hey guys, well it's the night, or should I say, it's the end of the evening. So I want to take this little moment before I go to bed to thank all of you. I want to thank Babe for this amazing gift. Every year she's always doing something. She's always trying to think and to make it the perfect day. So yeah, like you can see, I was expecting a surprise, but every little things was just made perfect. And even if I was expecting the surprise, I have the feeling that if it didn't happen, I would have been like something was missing. So she makes sure that every little thing was nice, and I'm so happy and blessed to have her as a wife. Baby, if you listen to me, I love you.
I'm hearing you.
You hear me? Right, she hear me. But babe, I love you, and I really, really thank you. Everything was perfect. The food was great. I really had a wonderful and nice evening time.
Happy you enjoyed it, my love.
I did, thank you. Thank you for Tyler. Thank you for all of the person that was here
Tell her
with
you
me.
made
Thank
card that
you.
you made. You give his paper at the end that you
Yeah.
made.
Oh, but I think
You left it? Oh Lordy.
so. Yeah. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Jen, for always be there this moment, and thank you to Val, Jen friend, to be there. Yeah, really thank you. And by the time I'm sure that I will have a lot of messages. I already got so much Facebook message and WhatsApp message, Instagram. I don't know Instagram, so
Well, you
Instagram
have Instagram. My
message.
Instagram is your Instagram.
Instagram, regular text, max, call, all of these things. So thank you, all of you. Yeah, thank you, all of you.
How old are you today?
Oh, I'm young.
23?
23. Yeah, I'm 23. I'm 23 and 2 kids. So yeah, thank you all of you. It was an amazing day. So if you like this video, just don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and push the like button. Keep up and catch up.
Catch up on people. Catch up first.
Oh, it's first the catch up. Okay. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Show them Sarah. Share. She's about to sleep.
Boo boo. That's my gift that reach 1 month in advance.
She's drunk. She wants to sleep. And I am also tired and want to sleep. But I need to get this vlog ready before I knock out. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Bye guys.